What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making an Italian-American chicken recipe that's surprisingly easier than you think. Chicken piccata is a delightful dish of chicken in a lemon caper butter sauce. It comes together so quickly you can easily add it to your weeknight dinner rotation. So let's get started. These are the ingredients for today's recipe. They can also be found in the description box below. What are capers? Capers are a flower bed that grow on a caper bush along the Mediterranean. They are dried and pickled and have a lemony mustard tang taste. To a plate, add flour, salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese. Mix well. Go ahead and juice 1 lemon and set aside. To prepare your 2 skinless, boneless chicken breasts, cut in half lengthwise. Make sure you take your time with this, as you want 4 equal-sized breast pieces to cook at the same rate together in the pan. Next, dredge your chicken in your flour mixture, making sure to coat well. The next part will come together quickly. Have all of your remaining ingredients measured out and ready to go into the pan. In a large pan on medium-high heat, add oil and butter. Add your chicken to the pan. You'll want to cook the chicken about 3 minutes per side, making sure that the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out and set aside. Turn down heat to medium, add your wine and garlic. Let your wine reduce 3 to 4 minutes. Then add your chicken broth, lemon juice, capers, and butter. Add your chicken back to the pan to heat up and spoon your sauce over the tops of the chicken pieces. This dish is so delicious, and like I said, it comes together pretty easily. If you liked today's video, hit that like and subscribe button. You can serve this chicken over a bed of mashed potatoes, which is my personal favorite, or over a bed of rice with veggies. Enjoy!